How to cure a smoker's cough. Do you have a smoker's cough that just won't go away? Do you find it difficult to take a deep breath? If so, these are serious signs. And if you've been smoking for a period of years, you're doing damage to your lungs every day. If you've been smoking for years, have a nagging smoker's cough, and have tried everything to quit without success, there is an alternative available to you, and one that doesn't involve going to the doctor. Whew! It's a system that can clean out your lungs after years of smoking. It's called a lung detox, and it can cure that cough. It's a secret combination of food supplements, vitamins, and exercise that rinses the toxins out of your lungs. It's not something that needs to be done by a doctor or in a hospital. It cleans out your lungs painlessly and effortlessly in the comfort of your home. So if you have a smoker's cough that just won't go away, and you've been smoking for 5, 10, or 20 years and find it impossible to quit, clean your lungs and get rid of that smoker's cough. Click the link in the description for all the details and get rid of that cough.